you struggle with bone loss and your teeth look like this video is for you, because I'm a hygienist and I'm going to teach you how to properly care for your teeth at home. When someone has bone loss, a lot of the times there's spacing in between the teeth. So there is more space in between the teeth that needs to be cleaned out effectively. Also, sometimes when someone has bone loss, there could be pocketing going on. So in this area right here, it might look like there's only a little bit of spacing, but if you look at the x-ray down here, you can see that there is a large amount of bone loss. So that means there is a pocket in this area, leaving a big space for bacteria to get caught underneath the gums and then continue eating away at the bone. 3 important tools I think you should have are a water flosser for sure. This is definitely the most important thing. An electric toothbrush, and expandable floss. So now I'm just gonna run through and teach you guys how to use all the tools. So here is the electric toothbrush. You're just gonna angle it at a 45-degree angle so the bristles sweep underneath the gums, glide back and forth. When using an electric toothbrush, you're not brushing with the electric toothbrush, you're more just letting it glide and do the work for you. Expandable floss is a game changer if you have spacing or bone loss in between the teeth, because it expands like this in between the teeth. So instead of just having a thin piece of floss disrupt the bacteria, you're gonna have a much fluffier, thicker piece of floss that's going to absorb a lot more plaque bacteria than normal floss would. Like I said, water flosser is hands down the most important tool if you're struggling with periodontal disease or gingivitis, because nothing cleans underneath the gums quite like the water flosser will. So if you're struggling with inflammation, bone loss, pocketing, I would use the rubber attachment. That way you can actually touch the gums in that area and it's going to look like this. So you're gonna hold it at the gum line and hover across. You wanna hold it vertically, because think, there's a pocket right here. So a lot of bacteria is underneath the gums. So you're gonna wanna hold it vertically so the water is shooting up underneath the gums. Really go slow and let it glide so it's flushing all the bacteria out underneath the gums. This is a game changer. Of course, adding oil pulling or using a mouthwash could be super beneficial because it's going to reduce that bad bacteria in the mouth. But in this video, I just wanted to go over the tools to help clean the teeth. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments and I'll get back to you. But these are a necessity.